Alright guys, what we're doing today, as you can see, y'all probably ain't gonna like it, but we're gonna keep this little fella. We got a pond we stocked.
Oh.
That one's gone. We have to recatch him. But we stocked in a pond, so we're catching all these little fish like this. We're gonna put it on the pond. We also got catfish and big bass in the pond, so if they don't survive, at least they be feeding the fish. First of life, baby. So we're gonna sit here and try to catch a few. We done got 2 in the bucket. We got the aerator turned on. It's working good. We was over here yesterday and we caught probably, I don't know, 10 or 12. We didn't keep them or nothing, so today we're gonna come back and keep them, take them to the pond that we got at home. Look how beautiful that fish is. Bo!
Let it go.
Look at the colors on that baby. That is a genuine, beautiful fish. You get your finger in its mouth real tight because it's got a small mouth. You ready?
No, don't drop it.
Can I hold it?
I can't. I gotta hold it real tight. You got it? Just pinch it. You got it?
Yeah.
There you go, Bo. Beautiful fish. Don't drop that one. But don't squeeze it so it don't fall by your hands.
Yeah.
Put it in the bucket. Oh yeah. Come back over here with your worms, baby. That's what I caught that one on. Out here. Small fish, but beautiful, baby. That's what we're putting in the pond. Mainly for bait fish. Open the lid out there.
Needs help, Dad.
Come back over here and test it. Mom, let me.
You're gonna drop it off the pole in a minute.
Yeah, you gotta release that one.
She went out there.
No, that's a regular bass.
No, she went off.
See, guys?
She went off.
That's what he caught.
Yeah, she went off. She went out there. Ain't it? Can we tape it?
No, you gotta release that one.
Hey, two people went out there.
Yeah, it's too small for what we need.
Oh, can I have
We got a
That's a red eye.
That's a red eye. Open the door. We got one too. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Small, but serves the purpose, baby.
Now this is the floaty. This is the floaty.
Yep. That's what goes in the bucket.
Okay, but I thought there's fish and a stray, Dad.
Yeah. Got fish in it. Here. What you need to do is pull your, listen. When you do that, pull your slack to you a little bit. You won't have to worry about getting hooked.
Mom, here's my bait. The fishing rod. This baby is down to a pond. This one too.
Oh, there's something about right here.
I know, but I'm going back over there.
Got a few caught, so. I like catching these little red-eye bass out of these creeks like this. They're a little fun to fight with. Easy caught. I'm working on getting us a good old size a bank tank made at home. I want to keep an aerator and a bubbler and filter in it. And start stocking the bait tank. Open up there. And we're going to start taking fish like that home with us. That way when we go on these big river catfishing adventures on the river, we already have bait. But for right now, we're putting them all in the pond. These things are a little feisty. There now. Ow. See that big red eye? Yeah, beautiful fish. Like I said, guys, they're small, but they're going into the pond. Stock the pond, feed the catfish we got in the pond. And yeah, just having fun doing it. Good one right there. That's the mother load of red eye.
That is a red eye.
I don't know, they're starting to bite and they're not moving. Just feel it jerk here in just a second. About you getting one. I see your toe moving.
I did too.
So you need to hold your toe up just a little bit. Like
Go.
there you go. And you feel it. Oh, your toes are moving like crazy.
You got
There you go.
one.
Get out there. Get out there. Get up there. There you go.
Come on now.
Good job, Bo.
What you got?
Whoop!
Uh-oh.
Mom did. Get it. Got it. Have I?
This thing is so fun to catch. Hey, Bo. Bo, you gonna put this in there? That's a big one. Better get it. Put your finger right in its mouth, son. Hold it tight, because it's a feisty one. You got it?
Yep.
There you go.
That's a nice one. That's a pretty one.
Oh, it's a pretty one.
I was wide.
All right, guys. I guess we got enough caught right now. So we'll get up with you guys when we take these to the pond. Bring y'all with us. And yeah, but we're gonna stay here and fish a little bit longer. Just have fun. But once we head to the pond, we'll get back to you. Take you with us. We're headed to the pond to throw what we caught in there. So that's the only reason why we went fishing this morning. This pond is, my daddy told me stories about swimming in this pond when he was little. So this pond's been built for years. I've been in the process of stocking it up, all them catfish you seen us catch on the other videos came to this pond. So we've been putting catfish in it. Then we're gonna put all these little red-eye bass in it. These bluegills we catch. It's got largemouth bass in it right now. So all right, guys. This is our pond. Don't belong to me, but pretty much got permission to hunt it, clean it up around it. Not hunt it, fish it. Got hunting on my brain. But anyways, come on back here with me. Get these fish. You gotta get out, honey. Here's what we've been keeping, man. I'm sure you guys already seen it. We got the bubble box. So, you gonna count these, sir?
No.
Put the big one in first. How about that? How about that? We don't have to count them. We'll just go back and count them on camera. How about that? Gone. There it went. You get the rest of these still in there. Smell knife down laying there. Stop it. The owner of this pond just done some major work, as you guys seen, up and around all this. He's cleared it all up, built a dam up higher, so hopefully next year or so it'll be up high enough to the dam. Get all these weeds out of the way. We're gonna clear around it. Maybe that's in a fall video. We're gonna clear around it so we can fish all the way around it. Look how beautiful that fish there is, guys. Let me get down here and show you. All them colors in it. Orange belly. Of course, my fingers are just a little bit smaller, so I can hold them like this. See if you can. Maybe get a. You got them?
I think.
Look at that, how pretty that fish is. See you later, dude. Catch the fish, baby. That being said, we catch you guys on the next adventures of Kentucky River Outdoors. I know it wasn't a river, it was a creek, it was a Kentucky creek. Well, a creek in Kentucky. But anyways, that being said, hope you guys enjoy your day. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.